Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to wash your Tesla Cybertruck in an automated car wash without causing any damage. Now Tesla recommends hand washing, but if you're in a rush, you can still get a touchless or soft touch wash if you do it right. Let's go. First things first, I'm taking off only the driver's side wheel covers, front and rear. Why? Well, some Cybertruck owners have noticed that these covers can get caught in the car wash brushes or high pressure jets, especially on the driver's side where the rails guide the vehicle. Better safe than sorry. Next up, car wash mode. This is crucial because it preps the Cybertruck for the wash. To activate it, tap controls, scroll down, select service, then tap car wash mode. Alright, now not all car washes are Cybertruck friendly. If you're at a regular car wash, go for a touchless wash or a soft touch wash with cloth strips instead of harsh brushes. Avoid anything that forces your truck through with a conveyor system. This thing is wide and those rails could scratch the wheels or underbody. That's why this is very important. But of course, in this video, I'm going to show you how I do it through a conveyor system. Now, when you pull in, put the truck in neutral. That's very important. Car wash mode will remind you. If it's a drive-through wash, just let the system do its thing. Don't panic if the Cybertruck stainless steel looks a little crazy mid-wash. It beads water differently than painted cars. So here the attendant is telling me that I am at the right spot. They will guide you through usually. There's usually somebody there. Make sure you put it in neutral. Now mind you, the mirrors are folded in automatically. So I'm going to kind of guide it through and wait until the side rollers or the side brushes are done making its first pass through the mirror to wash the dirt, grease, and grime. Then I'm going to go ahead and unfold the mirrors after I pass that stage of the car wash. Now some people would be like, why the hell would you do that? Well, dude, my mirrors are in and it's covered with foam, soap, all that stuff, and I need to get it off. So I kind of gauge where I'm at in the car wash. You can see those two rollers right there, those two brushes, the right and left. Now once it goes through and brushes its first pass to clean the outer mirrors, I'm going to go ahead and unfold the mirror. That way the residual soap and foam are going to go ahead and get cleaned up. Don't make a mistake of unfolding a little too early because you'll destroy your mirrors. So here we are. I've already passed it. I'm going to go ahead and hit unfold mirrors. That way all the junk gets sprayed off as well on my exit. Now coming ahead, this part's very interesting. This big roller brush here, it's going to go ahead and glide over the windshield, get all the grime off, but let it be known, I do have a dash cam here, you can see that, so the rear camera is mounted on the rooftop. So hopefully this brush is not going to destroy the camera, but I've done this many times and nothing has ever happened. It's pretty awesome. Again, I've gone through these car washes many times. I probably go about 4 to 5 times a week, no joke, because the stainless steel gets so dirty so quickly, fingerprints and everything. You all know that. Now, another thing to keep in mind is some of you may have a leak in your tonneau cover area, and mine has that leak. I've been to the dealership many times. They haven't been able to fix it, and I just basically gave up on it. Pretty much, if I have some sensitive items in the bed of the truck, I'll just cover it up with a tarp just in case, keep it nice and dry. Now, we're starting to exit the car wash here, and this is my favorite part with the dryers blowing probably, I don't know, 200-300 miles per hour. It's pretty awesome to watch the water bead off like that. I know some of you probably know that information as far as what the miles per hour the wind is going here. I'd love to know. Leave a comment and let me know what you think the miles per hour on that wind speed coming out of these dryers. It's crazy. It like blows everything off. Hopefully I won't lose a stainless steel panel like some people have. So now I'm exiting the car wash, and wow, it already looks great. Feels so good. It's so satisfying knowing that your truck is clean after all that crap gets blown all over it. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and exit, and you're going to make sure that you go into the menu here, go into park, and you're going to hit exit car wash mode. I failed to mention that I put my wheel covers in the back of the bed. That way, these are stored away during the wash. Now, these things are so easy, again. So now you're just going to go ahead and line them up and tap in each spoke and then hit the center, and it makes a loud ding sound. And then you're going to do the same thing to the rear. Now, a lot of people have failed to take these off during their car washes and damage the rubber ends of the wheel covers. Honestly, I've done that myself, and it's not a good feeling. It sucked. I did it probably the very first wash that I went through, I did do that mistake. So now that's why I'm making this video, so everyone else can pretty much follow the same simple guide of getting your car washed through a conveyor style car wash. So now I'm going to go ahead and wipe off just the crap that's all over my wheels. I already reused the water that's all around the truck just to moisten the rag there. And I'll just start wiping all the spokes off, and that's pretty much it. And there you have it, how to properly wash your Tesla Cybertruck in an automated car wash the right way. Let me know in the comments if you run into any issues or if you have your own Cybertruck wash tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Cybertruck tips, mods, and adventures. Catch you in the next one.